Welcome to another video where I'll be showing you how to make the earrings that you probably saw on the a picture of the video. So if you would like to learn more about how to make these earrings, stick around. This is going to be very short and very simple. These earrings are very simple to make. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing we'll need, and I'll move this, is when we get our 4.5-inch wire, we straighten it out like this, and then take our round nose pliers and we leave a little room over here. So the first thing we do is make a loop with a wire, with the longest wire we have, so it's the 4.5 inches. And then we twist it with your hand because it's a thin wire, so you can basically just twist it around with the hand. Okay, what we have so far. So I was finally able to catch it on camera a little bit better since I got better lighting just now, but here's what it looks like right now. So what we're doing now is grabbing our whatever size you want. I'm using the seed beads, glass beads. I think I'm gonna use like 13 of them. I think that's a perfect amount to make them, to make the earrings look good. See you on the other side. What we're gonna do now is make another loop, that like the same one that we did over here. We're gonna make it over here as well. So leave a little bit of room so that you can wrap the wire. I'm gonna cut it off, and then with my wire cutters, and then I'm gonna press it a little bit with my round nose pliers, and this is what I have so far. So put this aside. We take our 4-inch wire. So we're getting the 4-inch wire now because remember we have the 4.5, 4-inch, and 3.5 wire. So this time we need the 4-inch wire, and I'm gonna make this a curled head pin because we need a head pin. And what I'm doing right now is taking my wire and then at the very end with my round nose pliers, see how I'm holding it, and then you just turn it like that. So there you have it. You have a teardrop. Super cute and super easy to do. So here we have a little small teardrop. And then now we take our other color glass beads. 4. And then put this aside. We're gonna bends this together and make sure it's facing the same way, facing each other, the loops. Alright. And now, this is kind of long, by the way. So if you are gonna, this is just in case. I always get too much wire just in case. So don't throw away this wire. You can make the second earring with the same wire. So just cut this off over here somewhere, because I'm not gonna need this whole thing. Okay. And then leave us some room so we can twist it the same way. The same way. Oh, oops, too much. Okay. Alright, and then just twist it around. We don't want our beads to be sliding around, so make them tight. You see? How cute. Okay, well, what we have so far is cute. So what we're doing now is making another loop, but the loop is not gonna twirl around the wire, or the wire is not gonna twirl around the loop this time. So what we're gonna do is just twist it like this. So what I'm gonna do is just leave it like this. Okay, let's see, but yeah, so we're not twisting it around. So now what we're doing is putting the shorter wire inside our main beads. Then we get these as well. So make sure the curled head pin is the head pin that we made. It's going to be at the bottom, or yeah, and then see what we did there? Okay, now we twist the shorter wire around. So we just twist it off and then cut the rest off. Or just use your needle nose pliers for just to squish it together. Alright. And now we're gonna put this bead on top too. That would make it a lot prettier. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna make the loop, and this is just doesn't matter now, but just make sure that you're gonna make the both loops for both earrings. Look, twist, 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 cut this off, and then we're gonna use our the hook, earring hook. Open it very slightly. Put the loop inside, close it. Yep. And there you have it. Our earrings are done. Cute, right? I love these earrings. Let me try them on. So here I am wearing my beautiful handmade earrings. And if you have any questions about anything in this video, because I know it was kind of hard to see some things, please let me know, and thanks for watching.